Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the beginner's guide to selling on Amazon. Amazon has been discussed yesterday in our video. You can check that out and learn something about Amazon. So if you have already learned the video and watched the lecture, you can just move on to this video and continue to learn the selling process of Amazon. Welcome to selling on Amazon. It's no secret, at Amazon we obsess our customers, and our customers want a trusted destination where they can purchase a wide variety of goods, which is what makes sellers like you so important. We are always looking for ways to add value for our customers and be a most customer centric company. As an Amazon seller, you take part in offering those customers better selection, better prices, and a top notch customer experience. I will just turn on the do not disturb mode so that we can deliver our lecture properly and you get the opportunity to learn something from this lecture. Okay, this is an ebook I am currently reading. Okay, I'm not just reading, but just trying to read and explain things that work on Amazon. Okay, so this ebook contains high level information that will help you start your journey of selling on Amazon. Okay, just to let you know, there are 300 million active customers in more than 180 countries. Okay, customers of Amazon. Okay, so if you want to dive in deeper on any subject, visit sell.amazon.com for more information about all the topics covered here. Now, what is the Amazon Edge? When you start selling on Amazon, you become part of a retail destination that's home to sellers of all kinds, from Fortune 500 organizations to artisan vendors who make handicrafted goods. They all sell here for a reason. So to reach the hundreds of millions of customers who visit Amazon to shop, there are some hints. Since third-party sellers joined Amazon in 1999, they have grown to account for 58% of Amazon sales. Third-party sales on Amazon are growing at 52% a year, which is compared to 25% for first-party sales by Amazon. Is Amazon right for your business? Let's see what is the answer. The short answer is yes. Yes, the largest household brands sell on Amazon. So, do emerging brands that will pop on your radar soon? Small and medium sized businesses thrive here, and they account for more than half the units sold in our stores worldwide. Whatever your business is, and whatever size it is, we are excited for you to grow with us. Find your fit and start selling today. So this is the end of our today's short video. It is the beginner's guide to selling on Amazon, and we learned the selling process on Amazon. In the next video, we will learn what to do before you start selling on Amazon. Till then, take care and goodbye.